Another long day ahead. I just want to stay invisible.
I hope they aren't waiting for me today.
Where do you think you are going so fast, little kitten? So cute. I will be taking this. I'm taking this. You look like you need to lose weight anyway.
Please. My mother made that for me. Give it back.
Oh no, Hey, get out of my sight before I really lose my temper.
Why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me? Everything is ruined. I just want to disappear. I hate this place so much. Nobody even cares him. I am completely and utterly alone here.
The sun sets the same way every day, but nothing changes. I try to be brave. I really do, but it hurts.
Will tomorrow be any different? Please let it be different. It never stops raining. Everything feels so heavy today.
Going somewhere, little orange? You look lost in the dark. Oops! Your trash belongs in the gutter with you! Ah, dang. Look at him. A pathetic wet kitten crying over some paper.
Please! These were all I had left. Why do you do this?
Hero! Don't bother coming back tomorrow. We are not finished.
Who used to care? I cannot let them keep taking everything away from me. No more running. No more hiding. This ends right now. Tomorrow, they will see a very different cat. I am ready. Just one more block. Keep moving. Don't stop now. My arms, they are so weak. Why is this so hard? Oh, no kinatakte wikebe. No, I am not giving up today. Again. I can feel the wind. I am getting faster.
Focus on the form. Balance is everything. Left, then right.
Stronger. Faster. Better than yesterday. The pain is just fuel. I am almost there. Precision power control, it is all coming together.
I am not afraid anymore. I am ready. Look at how far I have come. This is only the beginning.
The world looks different from up here. I earned this. Nothing can stop me now. Watch me fly. You'll find no peace here, kitty. Get him!
That is enough. This cycle ends right now. True strength is knowing when not to strike. The air feels different today. I am not the same as I was before.
Look who decided he'd to show his face again. You lost your way, little orange. You think that new look changes anything? You are still just a coward.
That is enough. I would prefer if you let go of me now.
Yeah, you actually think you are tough now. Let us see what you have.
Anger makes you slow. You are swinging at a ghost right now. I am not here to fight you. I am simply defending my space. Focus on the breath. Stay in the center of the storm, always. How are you doing this? You are not even hitting me back. You do not have to do this. This cycle ends right here. True strength is knowing when to stop. I choose peace today. Peace is a choice we make every single day of our lives.
Whatever. You are not worth the trouble. Let us go, guys.
I can walk with my head held high now. Finally free. A new chapter begins, and I am ready for it all.